How's it going, everybody? I want to show y'all a little upgrade I did to the 1990 Chevrolet truck. I upgraded the wheels to a factory style polished aluminum. And I've always loved this style of wheel, and Chevrolet used to actually offer this style of wheel from the factory. And I'll show you in this here dealership brochure that I got. Right there, it's the same style 8-hole wheel. As you can see, that's a factory cast aluminum wheel. The only thing is, finding a factory wheel like that is, not only are they very hard to find, but they only made them in a 15x7, and I myself prefer at least an 8-inch wide wheel to give the truck a little wider stance. So what I did is I used an American Racing Baja 15x8, which is a very similar looking wheel. And I had a place called House of Graphics of New York make these awesome center cap decals. As you can see, that's an exact copy of the factory insert. Same colors and everything. And most people at car shows just assume that these are the factory original wheels, which is exactly what I was going for. And the rest of the truck, of course, is all original, the paint and the trim and everything. And it's still got the original 350 and only 45,000 miles on it. I think it gives it a really nice, dressed up OEM look. As you can see, it's just under 45,000 miles right now. And that's still the factory 350. That's a Flowmaster Super 10 exhaust. again, shout out to House of Graphics of New York for making these center cap decals. That really helps just tie everything together. And I highly recommend House of Graphics in New York, and I'll put a link in the description. I know there's some of y'all that say I should have kept the wheels that came on it or kept the rally wheels on, but I like to try a different look every now and then. And you know, my truck, my rules. But it's good to have a few different sets of rims, you know, to change it up like we change shoes and socks. Anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Bye-bye.